What is up, guys? Hey, this is live. I didn't prep this video at all. I haven't even looked at XLM since this morning, but right now it's trading at 21 cents, guys. We're talking about XLM and XRP in today's video. Don't forget, Discord members, Patreon members, 4 days ago, I was saying XLM will double soon to the 236 level at 24 cents. Gave my price prediction of worst case scenario. My average is just above 11 cents. I added more yesterday. This was right above 11 cents at actually 11.3. I added pretty heavily. And now we're just over 20 cents, which is nice. Also on October 5th, I said I added to my XLM position here at 9,225, brought my cost basis down, talked a little bit about it. And again, this was when Stellar XLM was at 9,225. So pretty amazing, right? We've been calling a lot of different ones. We also talked about XRP. We added pretty heavily down at 53 cents. If you saw my Dogecoin video earlier, I was giving you guys updates on really what was going on with XRP. And when I was posting a lot that SEC appeal was BS, and we all bought that dip, and I added even more at 71 cents and alerted members as well. So we are up significantly on XRP, XLM, and don't forget we called Dogecoin as well. So welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it. I want to talk about XRP and XLM's potential and really where I think they are right now with this massive pump that we are seeing. It's absolutely incredible, guys. Really, to keep it super simple, the next thing I'm looking for XRP is right in this area. It's reminding me a lot of Dogecoin when Dogecoin started to hit resistance around 40 cents. Well, this is the 618 level approaching us at $1.32 for XRP. You can see we have a ton of wicks, a ton of resistance in this area. So I would even say as high as 142 is what I would be looking for as our next point of probably going to cool off a little bit in this area. Of course, this is not financial advice, not a financial advisor. It's all my own opinion. And don't forget, guys, if you want to find these coins before they pump, make sure you join the Patreon down below. You can get in as low as $10 a month, and I have different tiers. And don't forget, when you pay for the whole year, you get 12% off. So people are paying for the whole year, and they're literally get access for the next year for like less than 150 bucks for the whole year. It's pretty amazing. And we've called a lot of different stocks in crypto as well. But with XRP, this is kind of what I'm looking at right now. You can see we're kind of getting overbought, but I'm not selling yet. Okay. And I have different reasons why. I also like this yellow trend line that we drew up here. You can see we actually hit high points and sold off. So we'll probably land somewhere up here. I'm really going to be watching this Fibonacci level very closely. But XRP is a long play for me. But I do think there'll be lots of trading opportunities. We actually did a trade this morning. If you're in the Discord, if you watch these videos, make sure you leave a comment. Let them know that we actually sold some XLM and XRP this morning when it was pumping. And then I bought in lower on the dip. I think it was down about 8% from my sell. And then I increased my overall position in XLM and XRP. So this is the goal with crypto for the next 6 months. I think this is a major buying opportunity in all cryptos, like buy the dip opportunity. Again, just my own opinion, really how I view things. But with this, XRP looks solid. I think it's going to be great. This is really where I think we are that I wanted to show you guys. If you look at the stochastic, let me make this bigger for you. So the stochastic right now, this is a weekly time frame, is about right here. This is kind of what we're looking like with the RSI peaking. Okay, we have a MACD cross, which we did back in the day. We have a MACD cross. RSI is peaking right here. So this could be where we're at for XRP right now. Okay, the stochastic is literally right here. When the stochastic was right here with where it lines up exactly with the RSI as well, we were back in March of 2021. We had 1, 2, 3. We had 3 big candles. We wicked very high, and then it was chopping around and sold off, right? This was a high point. I don't think that's necessarily what's going to happen next. The other thing you have to look at, but just a place of where you might want to take some profit if you're trying to trade the crypto. Okay, we take a Fibonacci from the all-time high, which was like 332. It looks like we bring it all the way to the low, and you can see that we got up to the 50. So we got a bunch of wicks up here, but ultimately we couldn't close above it, and we sold off. So the next thing that I think would happen for XRP is it's going to pass this eventually once we get through all this resistance that we're about to face. And I would be looking at the 618 level, about $2.13. Okay. If we zoom in a little more, you can also see that the 618 level would be right here. So we might even push higher because there's really no resistance in this area that I'm seeing right now. Let me zoom in a little more. So yeah, we have a huge wick up here. We have a huge wick up here. So I think sky's the limit for XRP, to be honest with you. Like this is at least a $5 crypto, but it's just nice to see that we got a little pump and we got over $1 again. We have been waiting for this for months. There was a bunch of posts where we were loading it up, and it's an amazing feeling that here we are today. And I'm proud and excited for what's to come with XRP at the end of the day. So now as we look at XLM, as we wrap up today's video, XLM is another one that I absolutely love. And it's a top holding of mine. We have a stochastic bullish cross right here on a month. So this is a monthly time frame actually. Let's actually zoom out and think about really what can this thing do. We have a MACD cross, which is actually absolutely bullish, and then an RSI at 62, which is not overbought yet. You could see XLM has hit highs of 76 recently, and then way up here, I mean, it got all the way up to 96, which is absolutely insane. Another thing you guys want to note, I shared this with the Patreon earlier when we were before, obviously we ripped a lot higher, was we talked about the MACD. Every time the MACD crosses on a monthly time frame, XLM, the first time this happened, it went up 38,000%. Could you imagine if you had this back in the day? The second time the MACD crossed, which you can see down here, the white line went over the red. We went up 1,900%. Okay. The third time it happened, we went up 162% in a matter of 5 weeks, or no, 5 months, it looks like. Okay. So what happened just now? We just had another MACD cross, and now we're starting to run. Okay. But this is just the beginning. Okay. So this is why I feel very good about XLM. And you can even see with XLM, it has an all-time high of about 90 cents. This thing can definitely rally. We're approaching the 236 level, about 24 cents. That was my take profit zone, I guess you could say. But again, it depends on what you want to do. People were alerted down here. They've already doubled their investment. It's pretty awesome. Okay. The next areas you want to look for are up here. We teach about this stuff. We have an amazing Discord, and we're all locked in. So again, I appreciate all current members. I'm looking forward to the new people that decide to join and are ready to make some massive gains at the end of the day. Okay. Because we're locked in. I do this all day, every day. I'm meeting with people one-on-one, and people are making a ton of money. So with that, guys, I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy it, and we'll see you on the next one.